Need to replace the burner tube in your Blackstone 1554? Today we're swapping one for a brand new stainless one. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. It's an easy job, about 20 minutes with a pair of pliers and some gloves. Let's get into it. Step 1. Get to the burners. But first, all 4 knobs off, tank valve closed, and everything cool. Then, we can work. The griddle top lifts straight off. It's a 2-person lift, gloves on. Set it aside, and there's your firebox. 4 tube burners, with the flame transfer channels running between them. Lift the channels off the burner you're replacing and set them aside too. Step 2. Unpin the old burner. Each tube is held by 1 pin set at the back tab. Snap the R pin off first, then slide the clevis pin out. That's all that holds it. Keep both pins if your new burner didn't come with hardware. Step 3. Slide it out. The front of the tube slips over the gas rail's fuel nozzle. So slide the burner straight back until it clears the nozzle, then lift it out. Take one look inside before it goes in the trash. Rust flakes, spider webs, or grease plugs are your culprit, and it's why the manual says clean these once a year. Step 4. Seat the new one. This is the make or break moment. The gas rail's fuel nozzle must land inside the burner opening, not under it, not beside it. Slide the burner forward until the nozzle is engaged in the venturi and the back tab lines up with its slot. Step 5. Pin it and check the igniter. Clevis pin through the tab, R pin snapped on. Then eyeball the igniter needle. It should sit 3 to 7 millimeters off the tube, right above a burner hole. Drop the flame transfer channels back on, top back on. Before you call it done, run the checks. Push and turn. The new burner should light within 5 seconds. Flame check. Vibrant blue. Bigger on high, smaller on low. No yellow, no flames, only on one side. Make sure the flame runs the full length of the tube, every port burning. And light the neighbors. The transfer channel should carry flame across with no dead gaps. Pass all 4, and this repair is finished. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.